again, they were awarded 17 free throws in the third, right? End of the third, the foul call was 24-12. At the end of the game, it's 31-17. I don't think my team is that bad. Our team is that bad at playing defense, right? True, maybe we're at fault. We didn't match their intensity, but when you give a team 47 free throws and it magically goes there, you know, the PBA has to also look at the referees and check if they're making the right calls consistently for both teams. Like Lou's going to the basket, he's getting bumped and they're not making a call, right? But when these guys drive, there's an automatic foul, right? You look at the flopping, they call us for a flopping. Nang batak flop, pogoy flop, there was no thing here. Bad word was said by Oftana right in front of her. There was no technical call. Our active consultant says something and he gets called for a T. So I'm just saying, let's be consistent with the calls, right? If somebody says a bad word, give a technical, right? If we're being called for those bump fouls, then they have to analyze that. But again, I'm just saying on what I saw. I'm gonna have to check the video. Can we be better? Certainly we can be better. This is a champion team and they're playing very well the last three conferences. So we have our hands are gonna be full.
Just what happened in that last day? Parang nagkagulo kayo sa offense doon.
Well, it was a play. There was a ball screen. There was a shooter, and instead of shooter, I think the closeout was done well, so he went to the middle, right? And I think Jansen kind of fumbled the ball, but that thing should not happen. When you go up by 20, that should be done game. That should be step on the throats and done game. And we didn't do that. We allowed them to come back, and maybe we have to pay a heavy tuition fee na kailangan namin magbumbaba with humility and see that, you know, to beat this team, we have to not let go of the gas pedal. Like, you can't play good one half and then third quarter they just, you know, and it's a credit to them. They challenged probably their manhood. They went to the basket and they kept on attacking. They tried to get to the mismatch and they had a good third quarter. I think at that point in time, it's anybody's ball game. So I think we could have done better in that third.
Sorry sa sobrang random na tanong, pero kasi medyo noticeable na past few games. Speaking of, kamusta po ba si Alain? Parang hindi yata siya kasama sa rotation.
Yeah, well, Alain is Alain, and you know, I think in a series like this, you're gonna see him. You know, he's the one guy we can trust. He's been under a lot of injuries. You know, it's a coaching decision, and some guys are also playing well. But I expect Alain to be ready in the next one. And his number might be called. Everybody has to be ready. But we have enough. I mean, again, you look at Tokentex, they've added a lot of good pieces here. So, and they're playing well. You know, you have Rosser, you have Heading, you know, you had Halalon, you have Ferrer. So, they're complementing their team and, you know, they deserve it. So, I don't think it's going to be an easy series. But to me, it's far from over. There's still a lot of basketball to be played and we need to be better.
Thanks, Coach.